Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make Gorilla Tag thumbnails. All you need is a screenshot from Gorilla Tag editing app like Photoshop, Canva, etc. Firstly, play Gorilla Tag in VR. Capture a moment that is funny, intense or scary and make sure it's high quality. Go to your editing app, then create a new Canva. Add your Gorilla Tag image, then resize it to fill the canvas. Try increasing brightness and contrast, add in blur background, and add in glow or outline around your gorilla. You can use short bold words like "he caught me" or "scariest mod ever." Tips: just use big font, add outline or shadow, and use bright colors. Now, save it as a PNG or JPG files and upload to YouTube. Just keep it simple, make sure it looks good, and focus on main idea. Use also construct to attract viewers. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.